What is up, everyone? Do you ever struggle to get your rice texture just right, or wish you had a single machine that could handle all your grains and soups? Today we are checking out the best electric rice cooker to simplify your time in the kitchen. Welcome back to Cool Product, where we find the smartest gear to make your daily routine easier. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the impressive Cosori CRCR 501 electric rice cooker. This device brings incredible versatility and convenience to your home, with its 18 cooking functions. From many types of white and brown rice, to various grains, hearty oats, steamed vegetables, slow-cooked soups, and even sautéed flavored rice, this cooker handles a wide variety of meals with total ease. It is truly an all-in-one kitchen essential for busy people who want great results without the stress. The real secret to this cooker is its advanced fuzzy logic technology. This system ensures that your rice is cooked perfectly every time by automatically adjusting a precise cooking process. Whether you are a total beginner in the kitchen or an experienced home chef, this technology guarantees fluffy, evenly textured results by monitoring the temperature throughout every stage. Designed for effortless daily cooking, the Cosori CRCR 501 electric rice cooker features a 24-hour keep warm function and a 24-hour delay timer. This makes it incredibly simple to enjoy fresh, hot rice exactly when you want it. For those moments when you are in a rush, the quick rice mode uses 1000 watts of power to prepare white rice rapidly without ever compromising on flavor or texture. This unit also has a generous 5-quart capacity, which is enough to feed your whole family or handle meal prep for the entire week. Its intuitive LED touch display acts like a personal guide, walking you through the cooking process so you never have to guess what setting to use. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the non-stick ceramic inner pot and the removable lid. Both of these parts are dishwasher safe, saving you tons of time during cleanup. The kit even comes with a steam basket, a standing rice paddle, a measuring cup, and a recipe book with 30 chef-created dishes to help you get started right away. The combination of smart technology, multiple cooking options, and easy maintenance makes the Cosori CRCR 501 electric rice cooker a practical addition to any modern kitchen. It perfectly adapts to your busy lifestyle while helping you prepare a wide variety of healthy meals efficiently and reliably. So, are you ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Check the price link in the description to grab your own. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more helpful home gadget videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.